Hi, I'm John Edric Hernando. And yung experiences sa CLA na to, yung ang hirap kasi yung magbibigay sa akin, puro tawa. Tapos yun, paulit-ulit. Pero okay naman, napaayos.
I really enjoyed those moments kasi I got to spend time with them. Like, imagine your circle of friends is also your group mates. So, it doesn't feel like you're doing some task.
Two clips that you see in the video was my most favorite video in Animation 2 that I edited. Kasi dun ako pinaka na-challenge ng sobra. And for me, it was still good kasi natuto ako ng editing that time sa animation ng kahit kakaunti. And for me, it was still a good experience.
This is Nate. Reporting from home. Stay safe.
So, itong mga video nga pala na to na napili ko ay isa sa mga paborito ko dahil proud ako sa mga nagawa ko nito, mga video, inedit ko.
There were tough moments and I failed so many times, but I learned and grew, and now I can't wait to bring my scars to life. This semester was like a roller coaster for me, but I realized that it was all part of my journey.
So ito sa naging favorite ko. The reason why is yung second clip, which is my favorite one. Dahil pala ako lahat yung pusa ko, naisipan ko siyang isama. And yun na, naging favorite ko na siya.
Ako yung mostly cameraman ng CLAs namin. So, parang makikita mo lang kung mag-act parang 4 to 6 times sa lahat ng CLA, like out of 18 CLAs. So, hindi ako yung cameraman or editor. Kasi, dati may may DSLR camera and ako yung marunong gamit. So, parang ang unang CLA ko ng ata is yung misteryoso na MV, yung romantic. So, yun na naman.